Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anjali Shakti. Today I'm gonna review the products that I have received from Bella Vita. I have received totally 5 products. So today I'm gonna review all 5 of them one by one in this video. That would really help you for your skincare if you are a skincare addict. So this video is for you. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. So this is the first item. This is Bella Vita Organic New Age Ayurveda Glowy Mask Scrub and Cleanse. Um, this is face wash, C-Glow face wash that contains vitamin C, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem, lemon. Uh, let's see how it. This is Bella Vita Organic New Age Ayurvedic Nico Lips that lightens the lips. It contains walnut, beetroot, and natural butters. It looks interesting. I mean, I was really looking for a lip balm. Winter is going on. Okay. So next we have is face and body scrub again that removes dead skin and detans. Wow. This seems to be my product because as you see, I have last but not the least, it is uh, Bella Vita Organic New Age Ayurveda Lotion Face and Body Butter Lotion. Wow. Okay, let's review it one by one. Let's begin with face wash. Okay, if you have a oily skin just like me and looking for something for oil control and for exfoliation, this is the best product for you. Hope it's clear. Okay, let me show you how the bottle looks like. The bottle is quite heavy if you see, and the quantity is also really good. So what it contains vitamin C, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem, and lemon. It controls oil, acne, and retans and brightens your skin. So it comes in this bottle. So I would highly recommend it because it has vitamin C, and as it's winter going on and we get our oil, and to control the oil, this is the best product. So yeah, now let's move on to the next product. Okay, so next we have is body face and body scrub. It contains walnut, coffee, coconut oil, and rock salt. It is also for exfoliation. I mean, it is the best for exfoliation as it has coffee. And what it does, it removes dead skin, detans, and polishes the skin. It comes in a powdery form. This is the bottle. Okay, it comes in a powdery form. What we need to do is take in good quantity and apply it with face wash, and then scrub on your face, your knee part, your elbow part, wherever you have a dead skin. For example, if you see my elbow, you would see that there's a darkness. So this particular item is basically to remove the darkness and brighten your skin. I'm gonna short a reel on how to use it so that you'll have a better understanding on how to use the product. Next we have is Bella Vita Nicolip. It is basically a lip scrub where you need to apply for it, keep it for 2 to 3 minutes and wipe it off. Let me show you how it looks like. This comes in a tiny bottle with a really beautiful color. It contains the beetroot, walnut, and natural butters. It will lighten your scrub and moisturize your scrub. What you need to do is take a good quantity. I'm just, for example, I'm taking it and applying on my lips. Okay. It has a beautiful smell and it colors so nice. I'm gonna keep it till the video ends. So direction to use it, you need to take a good quantity as it has a walnut. It you'll feel it like a scrub on your lips. Apply it for 2 to 3 minutes just, and then wipe it off. After wiping it off, you'll feel your lips so soft because it absorbs all the moisture. And if you have a problem like chapped lips like me, this is the best item for you. So this is what it is. All right. Okay, so next we have is Bella Vita mask. Okay, so it is basically a mask, scrub, and cleanser. Wow, it comes with a tiny brush, and it has a really good packaging. And this is what it looks like. This is the bottle. This is what it looks like. So if you're looking for an instant glow, I mean, if you're late for attend any marriage or birthday parties and looking for something where you do not have to go through the whole skincare hassle, then you can go for this mask. What you need to do is just apply it, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. It instantly brightens your skin, and it's like you're good to go. It has a walnut, pink clay, rose. It is also exfoliate your skin and smoothens and brightens it instantly. Last but not the least, we have this moisturizer. It contains shea and cocoa butter and vitamin C. It is a face and body lotion. This is what it looks like. It comes in a beautiful bottle, and what I like about this bottle is the pump, so that you just have to give it a pump or two and apply it, rather than take it from the bottle itself. It kind of creates a mess. I personally like when the item comes with the pumps. Okay, so this is also pocket friendly and naturally repairs your skin, and moisturize, basically as it's a lotion. It will moisturize your skin, also glows and brightens. So this is what it looks like. uh, okay, this is what it is, and you need to just apply it. It has a beautiful shea and cocoa butter smell. So you're gonna love this item. Okay, so this is basically it. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box so that I can help you with the answers. Also, I'm gonna share those item links in my description box, so you can just click on that link and purchase it. Uh, that is it. So please do like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video and support me. Thank you. Bye bye.